Hello everyone, today's video is about types of logarithms. So generally talking, we have two kinds of logarithms generally. The first one is common log. I'm not gonna write logarithm everywhere because it's really time consuming, so I'm gonna easily write it log. Common log, or some people prefer to call it decimal log. Decimal log. And this next one is non-common log, or some people prefer to call it decimal log. So in order to find the difference between these two, there's a simple rule. So if you see a logarithm that has the number 10 in its base, it's simply a common log. So if I write log base 10 of 25, this is simply a common log. It's easy, pretty easy. If I write for example log base 10 of 3000, this is simply a decimal log or a common log. Or sometimes some people write it like this, log 25. So if you see a logarithm that doesn't have a base number in it, it's simply 10. So you can write it like log 10 base 10 of 25. So if you ever see a logarithm that doesn't have a base number, it's simply a common log, and the base number is 10. So from now on, I'll write all of them like this: log 25, this one log of 3000, and this one also log of 20. I don't know. I wrote this twice. That's okay. So we're gonna come back to the non-decimal log or non-common log. If you see a logarithm that doesn't have the 10 number in its base, it's simply a non-common logarithm. For example, log base 35 of 500 is this is an uncommon log. If you see a logarithm, let's separate these two not to get confused. Logarithm, sorry, my tripod sucks a little bit. Log any number you can think of, but not 10. If it comes into the base of a log, it's simply that log is a non-common log. For example, 35,000, log base 35,000 of 100. This is simply an uncommon or a decimal log. So if you have a log that has the E number, the Euler number, I'm pretty sure most of you guys know who is Euler. That's a proper name. Euler was a mathematician that developed some theories in mathematics. So he has a number which is called Euler number, and it is 2.71, and it goes on and on and on. Excuse me. So if you see a logarithm that has the base of E of any number, you can write this log ln of any number. So I'll give some more examples in this subject. So let's suppose we have a log base e of 35,000. We can simply write it ln of 3,500. Sorry if I said 35,000, I'm sorry for that, accept my apologies. This type of log is called natural log. I don't know why people call it natural log, but it's simply called natural log. So whenever you see a logarithm which has e number in its base, it's simply a natural log. So we understand three things in this lesson. I'm gonna repeat all of them. We have common log, which has the number of 10 in its base, and here any number can come in here. So most people prefer to write it like log of, not writing that 10 number in the base. So we have non-common log, which is a log that has any base number but 10. A which is not 10 of any number. This is called a non-common log. So we have the natural log, which is a type of a non-common log. If you see the Euler number in the base of a logarithm, it is simply a natural log. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you understood something from this video, please give it a like, and peace.